Hello everyone, and welcome to a tutorial from Follow the Steps. In this video we'll use 4 steps that spell out LUDO, the write this on the side, and these are going to help us to plan our writing for an informal email to a friend. So let's start with the first step, which is look at the questions and instructions carefully, so we understand what the question is asking us to do. Write an email to your friend who failed an important test. They say that they hadn't prepared well enough, so they are not sure what to do now. Give your friend some advice. So advice means you want to help them. Because you're their friend, of course, so you want to help them out. In your email, start by telling your friend that you want to help them. That's how you should begin it. Give your friend specific study advice. Use the following grammar in your writing: the present perfect continuous, the passive voice, the past perfect, the first conditional, the second conditional. Ask your friend to reply to your email to tell you what they think of your advice. Finish your email with a suitable sign-off. You should use this space for planning, so that box is used for planning. Good, let's tick that off. Now, the next step is to underline the key words so we are sure what we need to include. Email. Your friend, that's your audience. Failed an important test. We know we're writing an informal email now. They hadn't prepared well enough. Not sure. They. What to do now. Give friend advice. So start telling friend, want help them. Give friend specific study advice. Use following grammar: present perfect continuous, passive voice, past perfect, first conditional, second conditional. Okay, that grammar needs to be inside our email. Ask friend, reply your email, tell what they think your advice. Finish email. Suitable sign-off. Should use this space as an arrow here to remind us. Planning. That's done. Let's go on to the first step. Decide what to write. This is the fun part where we brainstorm ideas we want to use in our writing later on. We begin with opening. How are we going to open this? Introduce it to them. Hi, Jake, that's my friend I'm going to be writing to, who failed their important test. Have a greeting, an informal greeting, and tell them why I'm writing to them. And that's to help. Just keywords, help them. I can use these later in sentences. Next part is my advice. This is the main part of my email. Here's the study advice. Just keywords and phrases. I'm brainstorming ideas. Missing a lot of classes. That's my phrase. I'm going to turn into a sentence later on. And this is a problem, of course. Because of gaps. That creates gaps. Okay. The next thing to mention. If, attend all, you learn more, comma, remember, and you're confident. So this is my first piece of advice to him. If you attend all, learn more, remember, and confident. Just keywords to help me later on. Will help you. Okay. Moving on to material on Google Classroom, meaning the class materials and self-study for them. And that helps to catch up and do self-study, which is very important as an adult student. So the next thing is to stop making excuses, being lazy. Honest advice from my friend Jake. Moving on, now my reply back. Okay, so when they reply back, it's going to be a question, and their opinion of your advice. So that's what you ask them in the reply back. My sign off, this is an informal email. So I start with a hi, now I'm going to end with talk soon, which is a good way to sign off. And only my first name, because we are friends. Okay. The fourth and final step is to organise your ideas clearly. Here we put numbers on the left hand side to remind us to start a new paragraph. 1. Opening, first paragraph. 2. Advice, second paragraph. 3. Reply back, third paragraph. And 4. Sign off. Underline the topics for each paragraph to remind us later on. Good. So there you go. Ludo, this time 4 steps to help to make a useful writing plan for an informal email. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Goodbye.